Hello, guys. You're welcome to my channel. This is Loveline, a microbiologist with great passion for healthy lifestyle. So, if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. So, in today's video, I want to share with you all this super fat burning drink that has been helping to transform my life. Honestly, this drink is very, very powerful, very, very effective. It's going to flush out all the stubborn fats around your stomach. So, the first ingredient for this recipe is cucumber. Cucumber alongside with lemon are weight loss friendly. They can also detoxify your body. We also have ginger and turmeric. These are high anti-inflammatory foods. We also have here a pineapple. Pineapple is known for its bromelain content. Bromelain can help burn fat, especially the fat around your tummy. So at this point, we have to cut all our ingredients into smaller chunks just to aid the blending process. So we also have here our ginger and turmeric. Like already said, these are high anti-inflammatory foods. Remember, inflammation is the main cause of belly fat. So we need these two ingredients to stop inflammation. So at this point, I have to squeeze out the juice from the lemons. So I have to also peel the pineapple. The peel of the pineapple will be cooked and the water will be used for blending. So instead of using ordinary water for blending, I'll be using the water derived from the cooked peels. So after peeling, I have to put in all the peels in a pot. Add some water to it and bring it to a boil for about 10 to 20 minutes. I'll move ahead with cutting my pineapple into smaller sizes. So as you can see, our pineapple is ready. I'll be using just a section of this pineapple and not the whole. So it all depends on the quantity of the drink you want to make. But for me, because I won't be making a very big amount of this drink, so this quantity of pineapple will be okay for me. So this has been brought to a boil. I have to turn off the stove at this point and allow it to cool, after which I'm going to strain. So guys, our liquid for the blending is ready. Now I have to put in everything into the blender and get them blended. So guys, at this point, I'll be adding the lemon juice and using the blender to mix it up. So guys, our drink is ready. So apart from weight loss, this drink is super helpful in boosting the immune system. It will also help to detoxify your body, removing toxins that make you to age fast. So did you enjoy this video? Please, if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be notified. With this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and God bless you. Bye. Thank you.